In this video, how to fix USB device not recognizing Windows. So first you need to go to our device manager, click it, and this pop-up will appear. In this you have seen universal serial bus controller is there. You need to click, and here you can see a USB root hub is there. It should be, you need to update the driver. Once update, close it, and if you have 2 to 3 minutes, you need to update all the USB root hub. After that, you need to go to a power management, and make sure allow the computer to turn off the device to save power should be in disable mode. Okay, you need to do for two or more root hub. All the root hub should be in same format. Once you complete it, you need to go to scan for hardware changes and click and check any hardware changes are there or not. And after, you need to go to settings. In this you need to go to Windows update and check for update. If there is a update, means you need to update the Windows. Check for updates, and also installation on pending items. If that means you need to install it, and sometimes the pending items also causes some issues. So you need to completely install and make the Windows up to date. Okay. After that, you need to come to Windows and restart it, and after that, open and check. It still remains the issues. You need to go to settings, and here you need to go to Bluetooth and device. In this Bluetooth and device, you need to scroll down and have USB is that option. You need to click the USB option, and here you can see USB battery saver is that. It should be in turn on mode, so it's depend on you. It's customized, so it's depend on you. But USB battery saver should be in on condition, and go back and once again restart it, and after open the PC and check it. Thank you.